Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
龙
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
龙 了 ong 龙龙龙眼龙眼龙眼是一种水果。龙眼是一种水果。恐龙恐龙小朋友参观恐龙博物馆。小朋友参观恐龙博物馆。龙的传人，龙的传人。中国人称自己为龙的传人。中国人称自己为龙的传人。
Let's learn how to write together with me. This character represents a mythical creature in ancient China. The dragon is the totem of the Chinese nation, symbolizing unity, inclusiveness, and cultural diversity. In ancient China, the dragon was an exclusive symbol for emperors. Emperors called themselves true dragon sons of heaven, and dragon patterns were decorated on their clothes, chairs, and other items which were only for the emperor to use. Please note that this stroke must be written long. If this stroke is written well, the whole character will look nice. Practice more and you will learn it well. That's all for today.